6.7 million views, 2.7 million views, 2.6 million views, and then millions and millions more. That's not a channel that's been grinding for 5 years. This channel, called Jerry the Skelly, started just 4 weeks ago, and it already has over 41,000 subscribers. 4 weeks. Let that sink in for a second. And there are other channels in the same niche doing the exact same type of content, and they're pulling in millions of views too. Now here's the part that really blew my mind. They're not doing anything complicated. No wild production setup, no massive team behind the scenes, no expensive cameras. The videos look simple. And yes, they're making serious money. And guess what? I found the exact website they're using to make these videos. And to prove it, watch this. Who makes more money over 15 years? Factory worker versus tech founder. Both start at 18. Age 18. Factory kid clocks in on the line, earns 35K. Tech dreamer drops out, bootstraps code in a garage, pulls $0. Steady paycheck versus total gamble. Age 22. Factory grad joins union, hits 50K with benefits. Founder lands first investor, scrapes 80K salary. Pension security versus seed round hype. Age 26. Factory vet supervisor shifts at 62K, 0 layoffs. Founder scales app to millions. Cashes 250K, but burns nights. Union Shield versus Rocket, stress. Age 30. Factory prolocks 65K plus pension vesting. Founder startup booms to unicorn, banks $2. Family stability versus 95% crash risk. Age 33. Factory totals 850K over 15 years. Retired secure. Founder either rides 15M plus wave or wipes to 400K broke. Bulletproof life versus lottery moonshot. Stability crushes crashes, but that unicorn upside haunts. I created this video myself using the exact same method, same structure, same concept, same process, and it worked. This AI tool, you don't even have to write prompts. No complicated instructions, no technical setup, no advanced skills required. It's literally one click and everything gets right for you. Script, visuals, structure, done. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. I want you to search for the Korpia AI or click the link in the description. Don't overthink it. Just click it and let's get moving. Once you're on the page, hit sign in with Google. It's quick, it's smooth, and boom, you're in. Click continue. And just like that, you've officially stepped into one of the most powerful AI video creation platforms out there. Now here's where it gets exciting. On your dashboard, look for Skeleton AI. Click it. This is where the magic starts. Then hit generate with AI. And I want you to feel this moment because what you're about to do is let artificial intelligence build your entire video concept for you. Select comparing career path and then click generate ideas. And watch what happens. AI starts brainstorming for you. This is the part that feels almost unfair. From the ideas that pop up, choose factory worker versus tech founder. That contrast is powerful. It's emotional. Click use selected idea, then hit next. Now we're moving into the visual engine. When it asks for the image generation model, choose Nano banana. Next, turn on mint green template scenes. This template keeps everything clean, modern. Now hit generate scenes. Pause for a second, because in just a few moments, Korpia AI will automatically generate all your scene images. Every visual, every setup, done for you. Once your scenes are ready, you can either click animate all scenes at once, which is fast and efficient, or if you're the type who likes control, you can animate them one by one. Both work. After animation is complete, hit generate video. But don't rush here. Choose advanced mode. Click continue. Advanced mode gives you better control, smoother rendering, and a more polished final result. And even at this stage, you can still edit if you want. You can tweak, you can refine. You're not locked in. But if everything looks good, and most of the time it will, just click continue without changes, and then download it. That's it. You just created a full AI-generated comparison video from scratch. No camera, no complicated editing timeline, no expensive production team, just smart AI tools and a few strategic clicks. Now let's talk real value for a second. Korpia AI offers a hobby plan for $11.67, a clipper plan for $15.83, and a pro plan for $24.58. For what it does in this niche, that pricing is insanely competitive. If you're creating motivational comparisons, career path videos, storytelling shorts, this platform is honestly one of the best AI video generators available right now.